Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. The Champs Mystery. Full story. This is a story about the mysterious happenings surrounding a particular high school and its principal every year around Champs time. Every time this particular high school that is located in the parish of Manchester won Champs, a school bus with children inside meets in a terrible accident, leaving all the children alive, but the driver unscathed. Rumors started to circulate that the principal at the time was a prominent member of a cult who practiced certain rituals and sacrifices to get ahead in the games. The children who attended the school were allegedly his main victims. The terrible accidents happened every year like clockwork, right after the high school wins Champs. The last time it happened was September 12, 2013, the same year the principal was fired. Every accident had a common denominator. They were gruesome. Heads rolled and body parts were everywhere. The scene was always very red and raw. Despite this happening, the drivers of the buses were always perfectly fine. The children who attended the school at the time also made some strange and mysterious allegations about their principal. They said that the principal could not turn his neck at all. Whenever someone calls him from behind, he had to turn his whole body to see who the person was. Rumors quickly spread that he made some sort of supernatural deal with the devil, and if he looked in any direction other than forward, it will break or the bones in his legs will shatter, rendering them useless. Since he left, the high school never won Champs again, and is a popular location for Duppy hauntings. The painful memories of what happened to those children still hurts their friends and family members to this day.